my today's lecture topic is India-China relation. So I would like to divide my topic into 5 parts. The first one is introduction, history, third is challenges, fourth solution, and fifth conclusion. So India and China are the oldest civilization, and both are the world's most populous countries, and both are nuclear powered, regional giant, and also shared a relationship which is mix of cooperation, confrontation, and competition. And if I talk about the history, India and China in ancient time were in peaceful relationship, because Buddhism is the main which is spread China through India. And in independence time, India was the first country which recognized China as the People's Republic of China. But the tension started from the war of 1962, which is in Siachen and also in Arunachal Pradesh. Now, if I talk about the challenges, it is the border dispute, which is especially in the Five Fingers, which in northeast region, and risen after the Galwan Valley dispute 2020. And the second is strategic cooperation. So India involved in the Quad, which is the nation of India, Australia, Japan, and USA, which is found by China as a challenge, and the China involved in South Asian relations and also support Pakistan, which worries India. So now, if and the second thing, trade imbalance. So the India especially import from China nearly $100 million per year, and export only 18 to 20 million dollar. And now, if I talk about the solution, so India need to enhance the infrastructure and self-reliance in the borderline area. Also, India need to expand the ties between India and China, people to people, and India need to enhance their domestic products and alternate resources for the China's products. And now, if I talk about the conclusion, so India and China both are the ancient countries. Both share the relation which is mix of competition and cooperation, and they both wanted to reduce this tension. For that, they are talking and also increasing their civil, economic, and people rights. Thank you.
That's why.